If posting online means showing your face, you're going to keep putting it off. So what if it didn't? You open the app, stare at a blank page, close it again, not because you don't have anything to say, because you don't have a system. You do not want to show your face or no ring light, no hours to spare, no idea what to post today. Sound familiar? This is the 10-minute Faceless content machine. It's a simple workflow, your phone, a couple of templates, a bit of AI help, that gets a real on-brand post out the door in 10 minutes. No camera, no overthinking, just a repeatable system. Inside, you get the full 10-minute daily workflow, the 3 easiest faceless post formats, how to use AI without sounding like a robot, fill in the blank templates for every format, a batching method to knock out 7 posts in one sitting, and a repurposing system so one post covers Facebook, Instagram, and Threads. And because content shouldn't always start from scratch, you're also getting a bonus library of 65 done-for-you videos. Use them exactly as they are, or open them up and make them your own. Either way, that's 65 more posts you don't have to build from zero. The whole system, the workflow, the templates, the bonus modules, and the 65 done-for-you videos for $12. If you can copy, paste, and edit one sentence, you can create content. Grab it below and get your first post out today.